Hello and welcome to Sam's the Eprom 9, and here we have 3 monitors. We've already done the repair because I just went out there and got on with it, but these are linked to the video monitor, FPV camera up on the ceiling, and 2 were dead. One had a dodgy video, one didn't power on. So the didn't power on one, as it turned out, the transformer burnt out and has no continuity at all over the coils. So I grabbed the one that just had a dodgy video, swapped the transformers, which was a bit of a palaver, but I managed. I absolutely murdered the other board. And hey presto, we have 2 working green screen monitors for the retro computers and whatnot.
What a beauty.
Whatever else I fix in the retro computers.
Actually, scrap that. It has unfortunately just gone up in smoke again.